Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to be doing this video because we will do something completely different. This here is a package that I received a couple days ago from YouTube, and it is their silver play button, an award that they send to content creators once they reach 100,000 subscribers, which I already did a couple of weeks ago. So I wanted to share this moment with you guys and do unboxing of the award, because you are the reason that I'm holding this right now, and I want to thank each and every single one of you for helping my channel grow and for always taking the time to like, share and comment on my videos. That helped me a lot, and I appreciate every single one of you. I honestly wasn't expecting to get this far, especially not this quickly, so I decided to go full-time on YouTube somewhere around September last year, and to hit 100,000 subscribers in less than a year is just mind-blowing. So I want to thank you once again, and it is all thanks to you guys. Also, please let me know in the comment section down below if you would like me to do a separate video on how I reached 100,000 subscribers in less than a year. Like, what are my mistakes that I made along the way, what I think helped my channel a lot, what equipment I use, and that kind of stuff. Please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, please let me know what kind of tutorials would you like to see more on my channel. Would you like to see more updos or more casual 5-minute everyday hairstyles? Would you like me to do it yourself tutorials, or you maybe understand better when I do it on a mannequin? Would you like me to do more short or long hairstyle tutorials? Or maybe you have a completely different idea for me to try on my YouTube channel. Just let me know in the comment section down below. As you can see, I got a little helpers with me today who are probably even more excited than I am. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this.
Wow. Oh my goodness!
So we got a letter from Susan. She is the CEO of YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Thank you so much, Susan. So we got a card here, and it says that this award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. So here's the award. I want to thank each and every single one of you who subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!